Weather Service Blacksburg.
Hey, I was wondering if you guys have done the 7 p.m. test yet, because my weather receiver hasn't gotten it yet.
No, we have not sent that yet.
All right.
We're just about to.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-50s. Lows in the mid-40s.
That's late.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio station WNG 588 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe, Watauga, and Wilkes. In Virginia, Grayson. In addition, we broadcast short-fused products for the following counties: in Virginia, Washington. In North Carolina, Alexander, Avery, Caldwell, Catawba, Davie, Iredell, Surrey, and Yadkin. And in Tennessee, Johnson. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the next.
This was on single county. I forgot to change it to all, so that's why there was no activation.